Hello cricket fans, welcome to the another interesting and heartbreaking news about the Dhoni's retirement. Yes, we all know that Dhoni has announced his retirement on August 15, 2020 through his Instagram post. Also, the Suresh Raina followed him and said he is also getting retired from the international cricket. Yes, still they're going to play the private matches and the IPL matches, but we can't see them in the Indian jersey, which is very bad and it's a sad moment for everyone. So today in this video we're going to see the reason behind Indian former skipper MS Dhoni to mention 1929 horse in his retirement post, because there are so many things going around the web by mentioning like 1929 is this that, so likewise there are so many viral things are going on. So here we would like to elaborate and to know the exact reason. So Indian former skipper MS Dhoni made his retirement announcement on August 15, 2020. Dhoni is the only captain to bag all the ICC trophies because we know well about it. The trophies are 2007 inaugural T20 World Cup, 2011 World Cup and Champions Trophy in 2013. So he is such a legend, and the legendary captain MS Dhoni took his Instagram account to announce his heartbreaking news. Dhoni, along with the video, captioned, "Thanks a lot for your love and support throughout. From 1929 hours, consider me as retired." This was the thing used to announce his retirement. She also released a video with the background song from Amitabh Bachchan's Kabhi Kabhi. So it went viral, and this was his retirement post. So coming back to the point, 1929. Dhoni mentioned as 1929 in his retirement post. After the announcement, many get in confusion about why Dhoni mentioned 1929 in his retirement post, and his fans started to dig the information and come up with the reason behind this. Since India's semi-final exit from ICIC World Cup 2019 against New Zealand in August last year, MSD didn't feature for the men in blue. That was the last time when fans saw him in pitch with the blue jersey, where he loses his wicket in an unbelievable run out against New Zealand, and that's an heartbreaking day as well. So which changes the game in an instant and left Indian fans in tears. Yes, so many felt in tears, and also Dhoni as well. So it was a very bad time for everyone and the Indian cricket to see the India is going to the losing side. According to the social media speculations, when Dhoni left the pitch for the final time for Team India, the clock showed 1929 as well. As per the beliefs from fans, this is the reason why Dhoni decided to refer to the specific time band in his retirement post. So many of them posted like 1929, India lost against New Zealand, 1929, MS Dhoni's retirement timing. So but we just TOS Times of Sports digged further and we found a news. So actually the statement mentioned is like India lost against New Zealand in 1929 and the retirement is 1929. But as per the records, also we digged further information from the source like Crickbuzz and other medias, and we found the time was 1926 when the India was lost to New Zealand on the World Cup. So as you can see, the match ended before 3 minutes compared to the mentioned time, as the reason for Dhoni to mention that. So what is the real reason then? So that should be your question at this time. The first reason is this is why MSD considered as genius. The time format is Indian Standard Time is 7:29 p.m., which might seem as random for most, but Dhoni is not a person to do the random things, particularly with numbers. He will not play it easily. So according to the sources close to MSD reveals that he chooses the time as it was the last sunset in India on August 15. It was the time of the last sunset in August on August 15. Yes, the westernmost point of India, Guwahati, alternatively spelled as Guharmota, in Gujarat, it was seen the last sunset in India. So on Saturday, the sunset there at 7:29 p.m. MS wanted to draw the parallel of walking off into the sunset 7:29 p.m. is not random. It is well thought. Even the way he wrote it, 1929 horse, is how the military time notes. That is because of his love for the armed force. That is just how it does things. So this is what we got from the source. MS want to draw a parallel of walking off onto the sunset 7:29 p.m. is not random, it is well thought. Even the way he wrote it, 1929 hours, is how the military notes time. That is because of his love for the armed force. That is just how he does things, says a source. So this is the thing. So also we got another reason. Many pointed out that 1929 was an angel number, which brings a message that you have completed a major phase or cycle in your life, and that has brought closure to the projects and way of doing or being. Many cricket fans also correlated the Great Depression 1929 to MS Dhoni's retirement at 1929 on Saturday. So this is the news that we dig further and we found the reason for 1929, and if we found any other exact news we will get back to you. So for more interesting news, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow our Facebook page Times of Sports, and also visit our website timesofsports.com. Please do share your comments and share your feedback below. Thanks guys, we will see you in next video.